guys, welcome to Learn Fun with Jayon. Guess what are we doing today? That's right, we're making s'mores. So what we need to make s'mores is the graham crackers, marshmallows, and chocolate. Hurry up, let's go find those things at Walmart. So now we're at the chocolate section. Now I'm gonna get this chocolate. What's blue? We got blue chocolate! Hi guys, we're at the marshmallow section and I'm gonna get some marshmallows. Hi guys, we're at the biscuit section and I'm gonna get the biscuit. Okay Sam, now let's set up the s'more. So we're gonna now put 4 graham crackers on the plate. Okay. I'm just gonna do it from the floor. Okay. Now on top of the graham crackers, we're gonna put some chocolate. Whoa, these are stuck? I didn't know that. Now we're gonna put the marshmallows on top of the chocolate. Now we're gonna put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. And it will blow very big. Oh no! Oh no! It fell off. Okay, we took it out of the microwave. Now it's supposed to look like this. The marshmallow has melted, so a little bit of the chocolate did. Now we're gonna put the graham cracker on top. She was talking about that, look at that. I think we need to flatten it. It looks so delicious. And now it's time for the taste. I'm just gonna do the taste testing. But we have to squish them all up first. You know that. Oh, gross. How is it, Sam? You guys have to make it, immediately make it at home. They're very tasty and delicious. Bye guys, we'll see you next time.